Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Especialista. It came into the shop because the grinder was clogged. This is a pretty common issue with these machines, and unfortunately, getting to the grinder to like the burrs in order to replace them or whatever often involves like actually disassembling on a machine as opposed to other machines where you can just kind of have access to the grinder from the exterior. Um, so we opened up the machine, we cleaned it out with like compressed air, brushing, vacuuming, um, and cleaned out the chute, and it's back grinding again. So yeah, so I'm just going to test that right here. This is really just to test the functionality of the machine. So my technique is not the best example. And I'm just gonna do a shot right here. And this is our test coffee too. I haven't calibrated anything, so the customer can calibrate the machine as they see fit, with like the dose level and like what beans they have and what grind setting. So yeah, this is just to show that in the machine will make espresso. And there we have it. So yeah, there we have it. Alright, thank you for watching.